Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple James. Let me show you how easy it is to open up a rainwater drainage system with just a garden hose. We're going to open up a PVC, Schedule 40 PVC, 1.5-inch pipe from a sump pump. It's over 300 feet long using just the garden hose. Take a look.
Here is a great project for the do-it-yourselfer if you truly want to save, $1,200, $1,500 over calling a company out here to do this. You can do this yourself. We've got a sump basin and a sump pump, and there's a problem with the discharge. So what we're going to do is dig that up, and then we're going to use the Sawzall, the reciprocating saw, to cut through the pipe. It's pretty quick with the reciprocating saw. It makes it a little bit easier. But if you don't have one, you can use a hacksaw. It's not going to be that much different. It takes a little bit more effort and a little bit more labor, but hacksaw works really good too. So what we want to do is send the garden hose down this line to see if there's a stoppage in there. We'll let it run and see what's going on. Okay, let's go ahead and test this line. Let me take the nozzle off of this hose and we'll stick it down in there. We're going to see if the outlet, the discharge, it must be a problem down here somewhere. It might be mud. Who knows what it is, but we're going to find out. We're going to stick that garden hose in there, and you can see it backs up right away. So there's something going on here. We may need to clean this line, but I don't know. Let's let it run here. So actually, looks like it's broken or something right here. See all this water? It's coming out. Let's dig it up right here. Okay, let's go ahead and put this garden hose in here. You can open up these lines with a hose, sometimes, not always, but I'm going to shove this in there as far as it will go, and I'll bet you that we get this thing open. You just push your hose through there, make sure the hose is running. One other tip, if it seems like it's getting stuck someplace, or you feel like you can't push it any further, you can kink your hose and then unkink it, and it gives it that burst, that jet of water, and it will usually open up the line. Not with tree roots, but if it's mud and debris, it'll open that line instantly. So just let it, push it in as far as you can, and you'll be surprised. This is not hard to do. We do this every day. I bet you I've done thousands of these things and opened it up with the garden hose and was able to only charge a service call, which is really great because we're not after, overcharging people. We want to solve the problem. Out here at the discharge, I had to dig it up. It had overgrown, but we've got a good flow. Filling up the sump pump right now. Let's see what it does. I also ran the jetter back up through here and cleaned this line too. So we found another catch basin, and it's actually wide open, but of course the grate's gotten covered. We'll clean that off here in a minute. Well, let's go ahead and reattach this pipe. We'll let that set up. Should be set up right now. So I'm using an 1.5-inch coupling, and we'll hook this up. Put that on. Do the other side. There we go. Need another coupling. Hook this piece up over here. First, we'll bring it into the sump basin. So we've got it all hooked up. Let's take a closer look. From the basin and the sump pump lifts it up, sends it out 1.5-inch pipe, over, turns, sweeping 90. Got a nice clean line going all the way out front. Okay, let's kick this on. Pump's in good shape. Didn't pump much because there's not much water in here.
There we go. Looking good. Take that all the way out front. We're gonna clean out that pit right now. Okay, so I heard it kick on, play. It's about 300 feet back in the back. I heard the water. There it is. Can you see it? It's working great. Still a little bit of mud down in that line, but it'll wash it clear. That went through a whole cycle right there. Beautiful. Something you guys can easily do yourself and save truly thousands of dollars over calling a company out to solve this problem.
Okay, let's cover it up. You know, this is a great project for the do-it-yourselfer. Truly, you can save $1,200 to $1,500 just on this example, but you can truly save a great deal of money by doing it yourself.
So cover it up and you're done. We'll put a new lid on here in just a minute. But yeah, it's working great. What a great project. Easy to repair. A little bit warm out here in the sun, but you know, saved what? $1,200?
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. Don't forget about live help, video consultation via Zoom, only $60 per session. And I can help you answer any question, help you with project planning, let you know if your idea will work or not. Sign up online.